Greetings everyone. So Valentine week have started, and if you are still looking for sweet presents, here are 3 easy and quick cards that you can try. For the last card, I am gonna use this Fuji transparent watercolor which my best friend gifted recently, who is crazy about it. Well, I am using it for the first time. You can see these colored folios. So what I'm gonna do is cut a tiny piece of the color I want, and in 1 to 2 drops of water, drop this folio piece. You can see the color blending in water from the folio. Now let's start. Taking a clean brush, I am brushing and lining the outside area of the heart with water, so that when I'll drop the color here, it will start moving. As you can see, I took orange color and bring it over here against the edge of the heart. In the same way, I'm gonna paint scarlet red color and crimson red color around the heart. See how well it mixes up with each other. Well, maybe in the future videos, it's possible that you guys are gonna get Fuji color tutorials on YouTube. Done. Hope these ideas proved helpful. Tell me which card you like the most, and don't forget to subscribe.